your line is under the water, buddy. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'm waiting to.
Oh, it's going over there.
Want me to do it? Here, hold on to it. I'm waiting for a spot.
Push the button, cast, and you swing forward.
And then, like, make it.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
So what I want to do,
Fonda.
go find your dog. There's a lot of things in the United States. Oh yeah, there are. That's why I asked. Yeah.
I'm gonna get out of your way. Yeah, let's do it.
Good. What time did you get up this morning, Bear? Chestnuts. What's up, AC? Duck. Duck down. There you go.
Are you Courier Herald or anything?
I'm the
Like that?
manager.
You're the manager of this
Yeah.
this place?
Yes.
Oh,
We're just doing a video, gonna edit, give it to the Kiwanis.
well, that's nice.
Might send it into the news, but I do also work with the news agencies.
Yeah, I mean, I was asking the kids over here if they minded me taking pictures and sending them into what newspapers there are.
Yeah, I'll probably
You know.
download this and send it to the all the news agencies and say, hey, there's the Kiwanis Fishing Derby today. If they post it, they'll post it. If they don't, they don't.
Well, it's a huge turnout, and the Kiwanis do a lot of stuff.
No open fires.
And this is a beautiful place, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is a great place.
Well, you only have 2 open fires, it looks like.
Yeah, not really supposed to, but I'll talk with a guy that lives here. He knows he's not supposed to, and I haven't talked to them, so we'll see what happens.
So this guy over here is
He
just
lives here, and he's not supposed
breaking the rules because he
Oh,
saw
yeah.
that guy over there.
to. They're rule breakers. They like to do that.
That's the broken window theory.
Yeah.
You let one thing slide, and then you never know what
Well, it
else.
won't happen again. I guarantee that. All right.
Hey, well, it's nice talking to you.
All right,
This is
take
a
it easy.
wonderful place.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
it
you.
looks great. Keep it up nice.
We try.
Yeah.
This is Kiwanis.
I know, that's why you'll never see me. I should wear my other shoes.
Recording.
Mermaids feel better. Mermaid legs feel better.
Guys, did you want a much?
Birthday dish, cookies.
You're like children.
What's sugar cookies?
You gotta have all.
Or sugar cookies. Nothing.
There's just 7.
That's a big fish.
They're trying. My